The Microsoft Managing Microsoft Teams exam is designed to test your skills in managing Microsoft Teams environments, including infrastructure setup, network optimization, security, compliance, and endpoint management. The exam is divided into 4 domains, each with a specific percentage weight. The domains are: configure and manage a Teams environment, which makes up 40% of the exam; manage Teams, channels, chats, and apps, which makes up 25% of the exam; manage meetings and calling, which makes up 20% of the exam; and monitor, report on, and troubleshoot a Teams environment, which makes up 15% of the exam. Let's take a closer look at the configure and manage a Teams environment domain, which makes up 40% of the exam. This domain focuses on infrastructure setup, network optimization, security, compliance, and endpoint management. You'll learn how to plan and configure network settings for Microsoft Teams, including how to configure Network Planner, calculate bandwidth requirements for Teams, and specify network ports and protocols for Teams traffic. You'll also learn how to manage security and compliance for Microsoft Teams, including how to assign Microsoft Teams admin roles, manage Microsoft Teams governance and life cycle, and configure Microsoft 365 retention policies for Teams. Additionally, you'll learn how to plan and manage Microsoft Teams endpoints, including how to manage Teams device profiles, configure Teams rooms on Windows and Android, and manage device firmware updates. Finally, you'll learn how to manage external and guest access, including how to configure external access in the Teams Admin Center, manage guest access permissions, and configure B2B Direct Connect for shared channels. Next, let's look at the Manage Teams, Channels, Chats, and Apps domain, which makes up 25% of the exam. This domain focuses on team lifecycle management, collaboration settings, and application governance. You'll learn how to create and manage teams, including how to create teams from scratch or from existing groups, manage team membership and owners, and configure team naming policies. You'll also learn how to manage channels and chats, including how to manage standard, private, and shared channels, configure channel moderation settings, and manage chat and collaboration policies. Additionally, you'll learn how to manage apps for Microsoft Teams, including how to manage app permission policies, configure app setup policies, and manage app customization and branding. The Manage Meetings and Calling domain, which makes up 20% of the exam, focuses on policy administration for meetings, webinars, town halls, and Teams phone services. You'll learn how to manage meetings and webinars, including how to configure meeting policies, manage meeting settings for anonymous join, and configure webinar registration settings. You'll also learn how to manage town halls, including how to configure town hall policies, manage attendee permissions and access, and configure town hall production settings. Finally, you'll learn how to manage Microsoft Teams Phone, including how to manage emergency calling policies, configure auto attendance and call queues, and manage phone numbers for users and services. Finally, let's look at the Monitor, Report on, and Troubleshoot a Teams environment domain, which makes up 15% of the exam. This domain focuses on operational health, call quality analysis, and troubleshooting connectivity or client issues. You'll learn how to monitor and report on Microsoft Teams, including how to analyze Teams usage reports, interpret call quality dashboard, CQD, data, and configure Power BI for CQD. You'll also learn how to troubleshoot audio, video, and client issues, including how to troubleshoot call quality using call analytics, collect and analyze Teams client logs, and troubleshoot sign-in and connectivity issues. As you can see, the Microsoft Managing Microsoft Teams exam is designed to test your skills in a wide range of areas, from infrastructure setup and network optimization to team lifecycle management and policy administration for meetings and webinars. With its focus on hands-on skills and real-world scenarios, this exam is perfect for IT professionals who want to demonstrate their expertise in managing Microsoft Teams environments. Good luck on your exam.